I'm here with a short tutorial on how to extract information from documents, especially raw PDF files using generative AI and LLMs. So this has been an issue for a long time to extract data, structured data from unstructured documents such as PDF files. This has been a problem for a long time because in PDF files, there is no set pattern. And earlier what we used to do is we use rule-based system to extract the information. And we use OCR techniques like PDF to image kind of libraries to extract the text. And then we used regular expressions to find the pattern by which we can extract the required information. Those techniques were not that efficient because you have a lot of PDF files which have variety of patterns or a variety of formats. So the rule-based techniques never really worked. Now we have Gen AI and LLM, which are intelligent models, and they can really understand the context of the bill, and that's why they are better at extracting the information. So they don't depend on a hard code pattern to find the relevant information, but instead they understand the whole context of the bill, and then they find the required information. So this is one such use case. So here I have a list of bills and receipts. Some of them I have downloaded from Kaggle, which is a public data source. So here I have a list of bills and receipts. I have downloaded from Kaggle, which is a public data source. So this is the link of the data. And 2-3 bills I have attached here is my own bills. So I have just scanned them and uploaded them. So we will see in this tutorial how we can extract the required information from the bills. This is one of my bill. Recently, I bought some groceries from Walmart. So here we have chicken breast, lettuce, and some other groceries. We have the item, we have the price and stuff, and you can see the quality of the bill is also not that good. Now I want to extract the information from it, and that information is structured. I want like item, the quantity of that item, what was the price per quantity, total amount, date, who was the seller, what was the text, the category to which that particular item belonged to, and what was the payment method. So I used identic model. So this is basically used to define what kind of information I want, and from the LLM. So first I define those fields that I want the response from the LLM in this structured format. And then basically I have defined what LLM I will use. So I'm here using Gemini 2.5 Flash. Here I have just loaded my environment variables like the project ID and the location. These are required to set up a connection to the Gen AI in GCP. Now here I'm just initializing the client to the Vertex AI. I will use the Gemini through Vertex AI. So setting up the connection because I don't want much variation in my output. And here you can set how many output tokens you want. So I'm expecting that it should be less than 5,000 for most of the bills. So I've just specified that. Otherwise, you can leave it to the default values also. So this is system prompt. So system prompt is like you will tell the Gen AI model or Gemini, you will tell it like what you actually want out of that bill. So again, this is a response schema, which is like whatever output format I want that I have already defined here by using identic model. I wanted it in this format. So that's what I want in the response. Then this is basically the system prompt. You are a data extraction assistant that extract the required data fields from a bill. The bill is provided as an image or PDF file. Please output only the information data actually present in the bill. So that's the instruction to the Gemini model, because this is really important because I don't want the Gemini to make up anything. So that's really a problem with some of the LLMs, that they try to make up things if that is not present there. So I have specifically said this to it, like, don't make up anything, only give me the data present in the bill. And now, so just passing my bill to the function, and then I'm just parsing it and in the JSON format and printing it. So there is an output for it, but it's taking some time. It's sending a request to the Vertex AI in GCP, and then it will bring back the results. Yeah, so execution is done, and you can see the output. So it has basically given me the output in the format I wanted it to, and whatever response schema I defined. And then it has given a list of 4 items. Like I have the chicken breast quantity, and this is the price, seller is Walmart, the date of the purchase and stuff. And it's like all of the items are all the data and all the information in this extraction are up to the point. They're accurate. And you can verify if the data extracted is in line with the bill. So that's a small demo how Gemini is really, I would say, doing a great work in document data extraction, and you really want to extract a structured format using GenAI and other LLM models. So here I have used Gemini, but I will try to use some other open source LLMs, or maybe try some other Gemini models. So here I have used the latest Gemini, which is 2.5 Flash. I can try that also. Just I will play around with it and see which model performs well. Now, this is just a short demo. Gen AI and LLM models are way more powerful. And the point to notice here is that we are not using any fixed pattern finding or any kind of hard coding here. It's pure intelligent document processing. The text is going into the Gen AI and it is understanding the whole context. That's why it's better